Hello everybody, this is Bigfoot Does Minecraft here, and I'm here with another unboxing of a skateboard and my bearings that are in these boxes. So, let me open up the bearings. So, they're Bullseye ABEC 9 skateboard bearings. You can see Bullseye. Kind of see Bullseye bearings. So, yeah. So then, my board is in this extremely long box. So just let me get this opened up real fast. Alright. So I finally got the box open. So, pull out my board. Ooh, damn. So, there's my board. I just went with a blank board because I didn't want to design on it. I like to put stickers on my board, so we putting stickers on them. And I have some kind of new wheels. I mean, they're not used yet, but I've just had them, and I've been waiting to ride them. So they're right here. Those are my wheels right there. Yeah. I already have my old chucks. I don't want to break in new hardware. Getting a black and white checkerboard, basically grip tape, and I'm getting these different colored hardware screws for my board. So yeah. If you guys like this video and like to see more, comment down below, and let's see if we can get to 50 likes maybe. Alright, bye guys.